keep your both the legs in the planta, or you can keep your both the legs in the dorsiflexion. Now you take the distance, everyone. Try to keep your both and beside of the chest. Now the moment when I'm doing the asana, हम सब लोग आसन करते वक्त ना ऐसे करते हैं, दबाओ ऐसा करो, ये नहीं करना है. Like it's a normal. Everyone can do the same, right? So आप लोग ये ध्यान में रखना है कि when I'm doing the asana, the first thing that you have to do for every asana, this is the one I'm telling. For every asana, you have to follow the same. You fix the palm firmly into the ground. You rotate the shoulder back. अभी देखो automatically my shoulders are rotating, right? You rotate the shoulder back. Inhale. You have to lengthen the spine from the hip, not from the lower back. From the hinge, you have to hinge from the hips, everyone. You rotate the shoulder. Inhale. You lengthen the spine. Okay, everyone. समझ रहे आप? From here, rotate the shoulder. Lengthen the spine. अभी देखो I'm stucking here. When you check, everyone, shoulder sink नहीं करना है. Rotate it back. You keep pressing the palm. Inhale, you lengthen. When you check, everyone, my chest is starting lifting up here completely. You lift the sternum up, everyone, you bend back. Exhale, you go down. Okay? We'll be going with this practice. Clear, everyone? Start karo, come on. आसन एक्सप्लेन करो इसका. आसन एक्सप्लेन ना ये बंद कर देना. मैं ये फेस कर तो दिखाया ना. ओके अब इसको नहीं नेक्स्ट टाइम दी. ओके यू प्लीज स्टार्ट एवरीवन. कम ऑन. You lie down on the stomach, everyone. Remember, bricks చేయకుండా చేయండి, ఓకేనా? Without bricks చేయండి. Now place your both hands. You fix your both the palms on the chair. Sorry, on the bricks. Inhale. Rotate your shoulders. Slowly bend back. Come on, bend back. Bend back. Exhale down. Inhale. Slowly bend back. Exhale down. Great. Trini, inhale, bend back. Support kar. Exhale down. Chatwari, inhale, bend back. Exhale down. Pancha, inhale, bend back. Exhale down. Shat, inhale, bend back. Exhale down. Sapta, inhale, bend back and stay there. 1. Rotate your shoulders back, everyone. 1. Rotate the shoulders back. Well and 2. Yeah, come on, come on. Somya ma'am. 3. Uta, uta, come on, everyone. Well and 4. Well and 5. Well and 6. Rotate the shoulders back. 7. 8. Sorry, ma'am. 9. Last 10. You keep your elbows straight here. 9. Go more back, Soumya, ma'am. 8. Well and 7. Drop the shoulders. Well and 6. Come on, Divya, ma'am. Well and 5. Well and 4. Oh, come on. Well and 3. Well and 2. Well and go more back. Go more back. 1.5. 1.3. -1. And relax, everyone. Balasana. Vajrasana, forward bend, everyone. That's great. Do Balasana. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Well and 3, 2, 1, and slowly relax, everyone. Now we'll be going with the Dvipada Raj Kapotasana, everyone. Okay. You look here once, everyone. You have to lie down the stomach. No, lie down the stomach. Now you take the same 2 bricks, everyone, fix your both the palm firmly. The way we are entering into the asana, we have to do the same. You lift the sternum, slowly bend back. At the same time, you have to bend your both the legs. You try to touch here. Jitna ho sake utna piche, and exhale, you go down. Clear, everyone? Leg bhi drop karna hai. Ek hi baar uthana hai, down karna hai. Up, down. Clear? Please come on. You please take 2 bricks, everyone. Now inhale, you slowly bend back. Exhale down. Inhale, bend back. Dvipada Rajakapotasana. Exhale down. Inhale, bend back. Exhale down. Leg దగ్గర తీసుకురండి. Inhale, bend back. Exhale down. Inhale, bend back and stay there. 1. Rotate the shoulders, everyone, come on. Well done. 2. Well done. 3. Well done. 4. Well done. 5. Well done. 6. Yes, come on, everyone. Perfect, ma'am. 7. Ma'am, కొంచెం చదువు వెనక్కి తీసుకురండి. 8. 9. Yeah. Well and 10. Last 10. Rotate the shoulders, everyone. Slow. 9. Come on, come on. Yes, you're doing amazing. 8. Well and 7. Well and 6. కొంచెం 5. Go back, everyone. Come on. 4. Well and 3. Divya, little more. Perfect. Well and 2. Or thoda. Well and 1. And slowly relax, everyone. Balasana. Vajrasana. Forward bend. 10. 9. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last 10. Relax the back. 9. 8. Ma, asana bajana se help करना photo card. Okay क्या?
फोटो संभारी कम
7. Photo card है खाली. 6. Video तार phone card.
दे वाटर
5.
वाटर
अच्छी.
दोनों
4. 3, 2, 1. Relax, everyone. Now we'll go with the next, everyone. Now. Yeah. Now you look here once, everyone. Now. Hey, camera set karo jo. Original male. Now we'll go with the next, everyone. You have to stand on the knee. Now you take this chair, everyone, here. Distance between both the legs here. Now initially place your both the hands on the waist, everyone. अपने पास वॉल नहीं तो आई एम यूजिंग द चेयर एवरीवन. ओके. नाउ कीप योर बोथ द हैंड्स ऑन द वेस्ट. अभी देखो, अभी भुष्टासन करते वक्त आपने डायरेक्टली ये नहीं करना है. यू ट्राई टू ब्रिंग द ग्लूट आउट, एवरीवन. यू रोटेट द शोल्डर. इनहेल, लिफ्ट द स्टेटम, एवरीवन. सी द मोमेंट व्हेन आई गोइंग, एवरीवन, माय pelvis are remaining the same. The moment when I am entering with the deeper asana, you have to change the position of the pelvis into the deeper. Okay, simply it is going into the kind of posterior के में चला जाएगा, right? You rotate the shoulder. Inhale, you slowly bend back, everyone. Simply drop head back. You can try to touch your head to the chair. Exhale, you bend forward. This is the repetition. 1. Inhale, you slowly bend back. Exhale down. Level 1. Level 2, everyone. You extend your both and raise your both the hands up. Bring the glute out. Inhale, you slowly bend back. Try to hold the chair. Exhale front. If you want to go with the level 3, everyone, don't hold the chair. You come little forward here. Okay. You extend your both hands front. Inhale. Make an arch in the back. Lift the sternum higher. Inhale, slowly bend back. You can hold the legs of the chair. Or if you're able to hold the ankle, you can hold the ankle. Okay. And slowly come back. Like this, you have to go with the repetition, everyone. Okay. For 10 times. Right, everyone? Start. It's very easy. You can do it. Everyone face this side. चेयर इधर रखो. No, sorry. चेयर पीछे रखो. हेड इधर करो. Start, everyone. We have class up to 1 o'clock. हाँ, yes. क्योंकि हम तो 40 मिनट्स तो बात ही किए, राइट? नहीं, बातें हम लेट आए हैं. हैदराबाद कैसे रहना है? 9 o'clock बोलते 5:50 को आ जाने का इधर. नहीं हम मुंबई जैसे हो रहे हैं हम सब लोग. No, sorry, I'm not against Mumbai. Just मजाक कर रहा हूँ. Yeah, toes रखो ऐसा. You keep your both the toes, everyone. You can do it. You can come front. हाँ. Now start everyone. Take position here. हाँ, मैं पेटे को ना no problem. Normal पेटे ना okay. Now दोनों हाथ कमर पे रखो everyone. Keep your both hands on the waist. Start मधु मैम. Inhale, slowly bend back. Exhale down. Well done, Disha ma'am. Sorry, Divya ma'am, right? Inhale, slowly bend back. That's great. Renu ma'am. Ah, come on. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. That's great. Amazing. Well done, sir. Inhale, bend back. Okay, मेरा पार्ट था ना में. Exhale, bend forward. ढीलो. Inhale, bend back. And stay there. 1. You keep smiling. 2. You're almost there, everyone. 3. Well done. 4. Well done. 5. Yes, well done. 6. 7. और थोड़ा elbow straight करो. Elbow straight करो. 8. Little more up. और थोड़ा elbow. 9. Well done. 10. Last. Come on. Last 10. Hold करो. 9. 8. Well done. 7. Go back. Help them. 6. बड़ी को उठा. Little more up. 3. And relax everyone. Bend forward. हाँ ये एडजस्ट करना सर ये नहीं एडजस्ट करना आसन करोगे ना फोटो कार्ड हनु शेयर फोटो कार्ड ग्रुप फोटो हनु स्ट्रेट हनु करनी
ओके हनु कार्ड अपने कुछ होगा तो क्लिक करते हम ब्लर हनु पर जा सकते
वन क्लिक मत कर दो डायरेक्ट हो जाएगा बेंड फॉरवर्ड एवरीवन 5 well and 4 well and 3 well and 2 well and 9 sorry relax so I'm weak in mathematics कभी कभी मैं काउंटिंग भूल जाता हूँ again you bend back everyone hold the chair again lift a sternum higher come on start everyone bend back come on bend back जाओ पीछे come on 1 start everyone come on ma'am well and 2 ma'am चेंडी well and 3 हाथ इधर लेके आओ एंगल पकड़ और थोड़ा 4 और थोड़ा stay there और थोड़ा well and 5 go back stay 6 हाथ keep walking through the chair go down well and 7 yeah well done ma'am keep walking through the chair slowly yeah Vani ma'am very good 8 कर चल 9 well and 10 जाओ last 10 हो गया you're almost there हाँ stay sir well and 9 here well and come on 7 well and 6 well and 5 in kinga well and 3 ingoncham हाँ well and 2 and relax everyone bend forward that's great well done balasana మంచిగా ఉంది సార్ Srinivas sir you're doing amazing but if you're in practice every day then you will do amazing bend forward 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 relax Vajrasana twist everyone you look back see always you remember whenever you're practicing the back bend it is really important that you have to do twisting you have to do forward bending if you're not involving the twisting in the forward bending you will get severe back pain clear everyone it's really important 10 9 8 7 relax the back well and 6 well and 5 well and 4 well and 3 well and 2 1 change everyone inhale exhale twist 1 come on 2 well and 3 well and 4 well and 5 6 7 8 9, 10, and slowly, sorry, look towards me everyone. You take the chair. जैसा आपका चेयर है ऐसे you have to drop it on the ground. Okay. Now you take 2 bricks everyone. You take 2 bricks here. Now you have to keep your bricks everyone beside of the chair. Okay. Here, exactly beside. Clear everyone? And आपके पास towel है ना आपके पास? You have to keep on the bar of the chair. You please stand on the knee everyone here. You have to stand on the knee. Okay. ये किधर ही नहीं जाएगा. This is for the deeper back bend that we are doing. Okay. Now you bring the chair everyone here. Now try to hold the top of the chair with your both the hands. Clear? You try to rotate the shoulder everyone. You lean back and you need to keep your back everyone on the chair here. देखो, you have to hold this legs of the chair. You keep pressing it back everyone to open up the chest and drop your head back here. Okay. chair को push करते रहो and you keep pressing the head more. You try to look in head in. When this is done, try to hold the legs of the chair and try to keep pressing it more everyone. Bring your both hands here. You try to bring your both hands more forward as much as you can. Possible to ankle को पकड़ो. If you can, go more front everyone and simply you stay there. Okay. Start. Take position, come on. Okay, no problem. You please start everyone. सब लोग everyone face this side. So you will understand. Start everyone, come on. सर इट लेट उल्टा इधर जाएंगे. यू प्लीज स्टैंड ऑन द नी एवरीवन. सब लोग एक ही साथ करो प्लीज. कम ऑन स्टार्ट చేయండి. हेमन ओके ओके. स्टैंड ऑन द नी एवरीवन. 1 hour sir. Now slowly bend back everyone, come on, stand on the knee properly on the bricks here. Yeah. Now slowly hold the chair properly with your both hands and bend back. 1, come on everyone. Photo card. And photo card नहीं तर हाँ photo card है ना जी video भी card. 1, come on everyone. Bend back, come on हाँ. Well in 2. इधर पिलोस है क्या छोटा वाला. Well in 3. Well in 4. Well in 5. यहाँ go back. हाँ इतने मिलेगा. Perfect. 6. Well in 7. हाँ well in मैम. हाँ back bend करो. इतने well bend.
పిల్లో ఉంటే బాగుంటుంది.
8. Pillows. 9. There. In there. 10. Last 10. Drop your head back. 9. Mama, bolster this side. Well in 7. Drop your head back everyone. Well in 6. Well in 5. इमा वीडियो भी करना. Well in 3. हन उल्टा करना दे. Well in 2. Go back. Drop your head back. 1. I think you are hurting, right? Bend forward everyone. Bama wadira. Bend forward. We'll do with the bolster everyone. You're hurting your back? Yes, I understand. And it's normal. वो बहुत बड़ा है actually. Pillows. Okay, that's fine. You just give it a try. तीसरा माँ. चलाओगे ना. Relax. We'll do again. You take the, I will give you the bolster everyone, use the bolster. जिनके पास पिलोज नहीं है आपके पास है ముందా మీ దగ్గర తీసుకోండి పైన పెట్టేయండి. ఓ వి హావ్ మ్యాట్ రైట్ సారీ పర్ఫెక్ట్. మమ్ మ్యాట్ తీసుకురారా. दिस इज इवन हाँ वही ले रहा हूँ। जिनके पास पिलो नहीं तो यू प्लीज़ टेक दिस एवरीवन। हाँ तो सही है एक्चुअली। यू प्लीज़ मेक इट फोल्डिंग कर दो उसको और ट्राई टू कीप इट ऑन द टॉप एवरीवन। పిల్లో ఉందా మీకు ఉందా మీ దగ్గర? ఓకే సార్ ఉందా? ఓకే ఊగుతుందా? ఏం కాదులే, నో ప్రాబ్లం, బ్యాలెన్స్ అయిపోతుంది. డూ టు టేక్ దిస్. నీ దగ్గర లేదా? Now you again bend back everyone, come on. Bend back everyone, start. One, start Jen. Well and two. No, don't, okay. Well and three. Well and four. Go back, हाँ. Well and five. पूरा हाथ अंदर डाल दो. Well and six. Grip it here. हाँ. 7. Very good. Well and 8. फालतू डालो मैं. 9. इस चेयर को पकड़ो, हाँ. 10. हाथ स्लाइड करो धीरे धीरे अंदर. अरे नीचे रख सकते हो आप. लास्ट 10. हाँ यस. 9. अभी लेके आओ अंदर, लेके जाओ. 7. नो ना ऐसे इधर इधर ही. Well and 6. स्टे देयर, हाँ चलेगा. Well and 5. Well and 4. अंदर डाल दो ऐसा, हाथ अंदर डाल दो. Well and 3. थोड़ा सा अभी एल्बो पुश करो. Well and 2. Yeah, well and 1. Go more back, go more back, go more down. Head in करो. You keep pressing it more. Little more head in. Last 10. Well done, ma'am. Ah, chin, come on. 9. Well and 8. Are you fine, ma'am? Well and 7. Great, sir. हाथ नीचे लेके जाओ थोड़ा. Well and 6. हाँ धीरे धीरे, हाँ वेरी गुड. 5. कितने पेटेशन सर? 4. No compromise everyone. You have to give 100%. Come on, change ma'am. Bend back. 3. Go down. Yeah. Well and ఇంకా. Well and 2. ఇక్కడనే, हाँ. Well and 1. Head in చేయండి. And slowly relax everyone. Slow. Nice. Bend forward everyone. Lengthen your spine. Extend your both hands. कभी किया है चेयर पे ऐसा? किया होगा, नो? Bend forward. 5. ओके ना? सुंदर. 4. Well and 3. You relax the back everyone. 2. Well and 1. And slowly relax everyone. You twist everyone, look back. 10. Well and 9. और 1.5 घंटे टेंशन लेने का, धीरे करते जाएंगे. 7. 6. You have time, right? सबके पास टाइम है ना? हाँ करना पड़ेगा, राइट, वर्कशॉप है. 3. Well and 2. 1. Change other side everyone. 1, come on, twist. You relax the back everyone. 2. Well and 3. Well and 4. Well and 5. Well and 6. 7. 8. And slowly relax everyone. That's great. We'll go with the next now. I think everyone advanced practice, so I will teach advanced only. Now what you have to do everyone? Your chair will remain same. Okay. You need to keep your both the foot everyone on the edge here. Clear? You simply stand everyone in Malasana. Okay, adjust the back. You lean back everyone. Okay, pillow की जरूरत नहीं है. No problem. Now slowly bend back everyone. You have to hold the chair. Hold the top of the chair. Okay everyone? Otherwise, better you drop your body back. You hold this chair with your both hands everyone. You try to raise your waist. थोड़ा lean करो पीछे की तरफ. Don't lift the foot, otherwise you badly fall on the ground. You keep pressing it firmly. You lift your body up everyone. You try to keep a knee straight. देखो, you need to lean back everyone. You hold the chair properly. You try to keep a knee straight. You look in head in here. Very slowly bring your both the hands front. You try to keep your both the legs and stay there. Possibility है दोनों हाथों को टॉप पे रखो. You try to keep leg maximum straight everyone and simply you have to stay there. Okay, start. Same. Okay, face that side. You lay down on the back on the chair everyone. करो sir. Take chair. वीडियो काटो सीधे का हाँ वीडियो दिखानो करना वीडियो देख ये जगह इन चेंज मालूम का हाँ कड़ा ये हनु करना दिखानो आड़स खानो खा ले हनु कर
एक तो वीडियो में देख
हाँ मैं मर देंगे नो प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट एवरीवन कम ऑन यू लाई डाउन द बैक सब लोग एक साथ करो अभी यू लाई डाउन ऑन द बैक होल्ड द लेग्स ऑफ द चेयर एवरीवन नाउ प्रॉपरली प्लीज स्टार्ट करो एवरीवन बेंड बैक होल्ड द डाउन लेग्स ऑफ द चेयर हाँ ఇది లిఫ్ట్ చేయండి ఏం కాదు ఇది వెనుక పిల్ల పెట్టుకో నౌ యూ లిఫ్ట్ యువర్ బాడీ అప్ ఎవ్రీవన్ కమ్ ఆన్ యూ రైజ్ యువర్ బాడీ హైయర్ యూ స్టే దర్ వన్ కమ్ ఆన్ మ్యామ్ పట్టుకోండి వెనుక డైరెక్ట్ వెళ్ళండి వెల్ అండ్ టూ లేదు ఇక్కడ వెనుక బ్యాక్ బెండింగ్ చేయండి మొత్తం పట్టుకోండి ఇప్పుడు లిఫ్ట్ చేయండి వెల్ అండ్ టూ ఇది పుష్ చేసిండి ఇక్కడ వెల్ అండ్ త్రీ వెల్ అండ్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఫోర్ చేయండి సార్ వెల్ అండ్ ఫైవ్ పట్టుకోండి well and six well done everyone bravo you're doing amazing seven that's great you lift your body higher well done nine well done anyone little more body higher little more up और थोड़ा हाथ आगे लेके आओ last 10 और थोड़ा वीडियो काटो जी उल्टा काटा हनुरा आड़ो last 10 से हनु well done 9 more up come on 8 धीरे से ड्रॉप करो इधर well done 7 lift your body up shift the weight back nice well and 6 stay there you keep pressing the foot firmly well and 5 inkoncham straight cheyandi well and 4 well and 3 chin ma'am atlane back bend cheyandi atlane venka చేతులు లిఫ్ట్ చేయకండి వెనక వెళ్ళండి 2 और थोड़ा ఇంకొంచెం 1 and slowly relax everyone hands in the back you look in head in nice great sit down हेल्प करो सर और एक बार करेंगे हम ग्रेट हंस करो बैक में 10 9 కొంచెం మ్యామ్ని కూడా చూస్తుంటే అక్కడ పోయి హెల్ప్ करो मैम थोड़ा 7 well and 6 hope everyone fine बातें करो हाँ देखो ये भी कितना अच्छा आ रहा है ऐसा 2 1 do again everyone the same come on start it's a final then I will give rest okay start everyone Soumya ma'am start bend back everyone start come on that's fine okay no problem 1 well and 2 healthier well and 3 come on bend back నేను చెప్పిస్తా 4 well and బాడీ వెనక్కి తీసుకురండి well and 5 లేపండి ఇప్పుడు చేతులు మీద సారీ హ్యాండ్స్ धीरे धीरे आगे लेके आओ well and 6 very good well and 7 keep pressing it more Raju sir shift the weight bring the hands forward well and 9 come on wait Divya ma'am मारो 10 straight last 10 हो गया you're almost there 9 8 जाओ चेयर को पकड़ लो 7 उठाओ थोड़ा well and 6 more up bring the hands forward 5 lift a sternum high everyone well and 3 दिव्या में आगे जाओ अभी well and 2 हाथ लेके आओ आगे well done 2 1 and slowly relax everyone nice we'll take 30 seconds rest okay we'll take 1 minute rest everyone see the problem is if we give 5 minutes rest everyone इतना किया कुछ फ़ायदा ही नहीं है, ये लास्ट में लगी मैं क्या किया ऐसा लगता है। समझ रहे आप? 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 रिलैक्स। डू बालासना, टेक रेस्ट 30 seconds completely एवरी, सॉरी 1 minute completely। when जब अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगा तभी रेस्ट लेना है। ओके, कम ऑन एवरीवन, lie down, other sorry, go with the Shalabhasana 60 59 ఉండని నార్మల్ చేసేయి 58 भूला सीखा खाली प्रैक्टिस कर सीखा, खाली सपोर्ट कर खाली 55 40 30 20 नहीं नहीं सारे सो जाओ ऐसे ही, हाथ नको उठाओ। 20 10 9 8 7 6 5 well and 4 3 well and 2 1 and slowly relax. Now you look here once everyone, ऐसे ही देखो, इधर रिलैक्स करो, इधर देखो। Now you have to take this chair, okay? You take this chair everyone. Now you have to keep your both the legs inside of the chair here, okay? You keep your both the legs front, you fix the foot firmly into the ground. Hold the chair everyone. The moment when you're lying back, you please keep engaging the core here. Engage your rectus abdominis, that will help you in doing the back bend. You hold this chair everyone, rotate the shoulder, you lean back, you keep engaging and try to keep your back here, okay? You simply drop a head everyone and stay there. आपको possible है तो keep a leg straight, you drop the hands everyone and try to hold the legs of the chair and simply stay there. Now if you can, you try to look in head in everyone and stay there. Now try to bend your both the legs. Very slowly bring your both the legs back, okay, as much as you can. Leg को पीछे लेके आओ. Inhale, you further go down everyone, try to extend it more, try to bring the head inside and stay there. Possibility है, extend your both hands everyone, you try to hold the foot, you try to look in head in more completely and stay there. If you can, you further go more